Hello, all the students of Standard 1. Good morning. I hope you are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family. Remember, you can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food, play some indoor game. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in time in your homework hole, because whenever school is going to open, I am going to check all the homework which I am giving to you. So please be sincere and do your work. Today I am going to teach you chapter 11, keeping safe and healthy. Keeping safe and healthy. This is your chapter 11. Okay. Page number 100. Keeping safe and healthy. Okay. So look at the picture below. Rohan is crying because he has hurt himself. Rohan, how did you hurt yourself? Papa, I tripped over my toy and fell. Let me help you up. Remember to put up your toy away after you play with them. Yes, there is a son and father is there. Now, Rohan, the son Rohan, he fall down. Okay, it fell. Then his father asked, how did you hurt yourself? Now he get hurt also when he fell. He get hurt himself. So he said, Rohan said, Papa, I tripped over my toy and fell. Means after playing with his toy, after playing with his toy, Rohan left his toy on the floor. So he tripped over it and he fell and he get hurt himself. So his father is telling him, always, you should always, whenever you play with your toy, after playing with your toy, your belongings, keep your belongings and toy at their proper places. If you will leave here and there on the floor, you will not get hurt yourself. If your father, if your mother, if your grandmother, if your grandfather, they can also trip over and they can also fall. What could have Rohan done to avoid falling down? Discuss. What could have Rohan done to avoid falling down? What could have Rohan done? Rohan should keep his belong toy at their proper places. After playing, Rohan should keep his toy at their proper places. Okay? So Rohan should keep his toy away at their proper places after playing. Okay? Do you put your things away after using them? Yes or no? So if you put, then write yes. If you do not put, write no. Question number 2. It is saying that do you put your toy after playing? If yes, then write yes. If no, then write no. Now we need to stay healthy so that we can live a happy. Yes, we need to stay healthy. If we will not healthy, we cannot live happier life. So for that we need to stay healthy. So let us learn about how we can keep ourselves and safe and healthy. So that we will learn in page number 101. Now come to page number 101. Safety rules. Topic is safety rules. So you should always be aware of things around yourself to keep yourself safe from injury and danger. Yes, you should be always aware. Aware means you should know, you should understand. If you will leave your belongings here and there, then what will happen? So you should know about the things, you should aware about the things which can give you harm. Yourself safe from injury, okay? You should know and danger also. The rules that we should follow to keep ourselves safe from injury. Injury means getting hurt, and danger, some kind of danger, are called safety rules. Now, different safety rules have to be followed at different places. Okay. So first, the rules that we follow to keep ourselves safe from injury and danger are called safety rules. Okay, the rules which you follow to keep yourself safe from danger and injury called safety rules. Now, different safety rules can be followed at different places. You cannot follow the same safety rules everywhere. That's why there are some different safety rules for different places. So first we'll see safety at home. Okay, safety at home. Safety at home. So here are few rules that we should follow to keep ourselves safe and others safe at home. So keep your toys. The first point is keep your toys, books, clothes, and other things in their proper places. You may fall over things if they are laid lying on the floor. Yes. After playing, whenever you play with toy, after playing, you should keep your toys and your belongings, okay, toys, your books and your clothes. If you will leave that toys, clothes and books on the floor, somebody will trip over and fall and they will get hurt. So, first point I will say that we should keep our belongings. Okay? In belongings, all will come toys, books, clothes at their proper places. If you will not keep, what will happen? Somebody will trip over and he will get fall and he will get hurt himself. Second, do not touch electric sockets or plugs. You may get an electric shock. Okay, yes. If you are in a home, you are a small child, you are in center one. So if there where you find electric socket and electric fuse, you should not touch it. If you will touch, maybe you will get electric shock. So we should not touch electric socket or plugs. Okay, so we should not touch it. Now, do not play with matchsticks or lit candles and lamps. Okay, and lamps. Do not get near fire or lit gas stove. So that I will explain right in lecture number 2.